At LSAME, we provide you with marketing videos about your type of business. Videos are branded with your business name, your logo, and contact information. We offer custom videos and we always offer guarantees on ranking. Contact us now to get your video like this today and your company name on the front page of Google tomorrow.
When searching for the right auto body repair shop, keep these important things in mind. The most important component of any good auto body repair shop is the quality of its personnel. A knowledgeable staff member should be available to answer all your questions. You should make sure to ask if they guarantee you'll be satisfied with the look of your vehicle when the job is complete. Also ask if manufacturer replacement parts are available and about the warranties associated with those parts. What are their hours of operation? And if there are any limitations to when you may pick up your vehicle. The following are 3 vital tips to help you find an auto body repair shop that's right for you. 1. Always inquire about any special towing arrangements or additional and included services. 2. See how long they've been in business and if they use up-to-date and modern equipment. 3. Always ask if they have online testimonials or positive reviews they could direct you to. There's more you should know about choosing the right auto body repair shop. The information we provide will save you time and money. Just visit our website or call us today.